the Republic of Komi, the land of pagan tribes, baptized by Stephen of Perm, the northern borderlands of ancient Rus with centuries-old history, the land of magnificent nature and selfless people. Severe, unique and mysterious land. Thousands of miles from Arctic areas to the heart of Russia, covered by a green ocean of age-old Parma, stretching along the gray-headed Ural Mountains, blue ribbons of rivers, and shimmering silver of lakes, lacework of swamps, and northern lights flickers. This is a land full of unexpected contrasts. The polar night gives way to the polar day. Snow bonds melt away in the cheerful colors of tundra. The local weather is severe in winter, but brings hope in spring, warms everything up in a short summer, and rewards lavishly in autumn. The people of Komi land take good care of our planet's resources. The virgin Komi forests are included in the UNESCO Natural Heritage List. Manaraga Mountain, a sacred object of ancient times worship, is located in the Yugidva National Park. Famous Menpapunur weathering poles are among the 7 wonders of Russia. These preserved places serve to balance and inspire the humans in the world. Welcome to the Republic of Komi.